Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. We'd like to send a quick shout out to Shadow Systems for their amazing product. If you'd like to see a little extended version, maybe a little more detail about how this process was done, head on over to applicatorhangout.com, get signed up, and we'll have an extended video maybe in a couple of weeks or so that'll go into a lot more detail and give you a lot more tips on how we did this. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.